What's up, Genie here. On today's video I have wonderful news. So I finally closed on my rental property, and I just want to say that I'm thankful for all you guys who've been following this channel. And if you have been following this channel, you know that I went through a lot to purchase my first rental property. Now, if this video had any value to you, please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. I would really appreciate it. And also go ahead and subscribe if you're new here. And man, I just want to give God all the praise, give God all the glory for me to finally close on this rental property. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the property. I'm heading there now. I closed on the 29th, so 2 days before the New Year's. I just want to before I forget, happy New Year's to you guys. I hope that you had a safe and wonderful New Year. Man, it's just surreal to me that I finally purchased my rental property. You know that I sold my car. Before this property, I had 3 other property under contract, and I did the inspection, I did the appraisal, they all fell through. So I finally, this property I had it under contract since September, and I finally closed in December. We did a lot just to get to this property, a lot of moving parts. One day I'm gonna share that whole story, but guys, I just wanted to say that I finally closed on my rental property. And as you guys know, I'm also going to house hack it, and I'm gonna go over the numbers with you guys in a future video, but today I'm just gonna show you the property. Let's go. So here we are at the property. As you can see, I'm in the backyard right now. Let me show you guys. Like, what I like about this property, it's a lot of mulch and rocks. It's not really a lot of grass. There's no grass at all, where you would have to pay someone to come and just take care of the grass. Over here they have the laundry, like a laundry part, so that really adds to, as far as like for tenants, they don't have to go anywhere. I like that also. Well guys, that's the end of this video. I appreciate it. Thank you guys. This is the neighborhood. It's like 2 miles away from the beach. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and smash the thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. Until next time, please be safe, be healthy. Peace be with you.